Hello everyone, Gunhuran here from Guild G Genesis. I introduce to you a game who loves Bumblebee. It's Honeyland. It's a free-to-play and play-to-earn game available on Android, iOS, and web browsers. Developed by Hexagon Studios and built on most trusted blockchain known Solana. It combines gameplay with an NFT and mechanics in crypto. First, I tell you the game features in the Honeyland. Harvesting. The purpose of this method for earning either honey or HXD, the currency in game. Well, how it works? Easy, just deploy your bees, workers, either scouts or soldiers to harvest any zone. Harvesting takes time for better good items. Next is the hunting. Well, how it works? The purpose of this is to collect honeypots which can contain shards used for crafting like NFTs or special features. To do this, you need to choose zone to send a beast or a hunting mission, either different zone. And rare shards can be combined into honeypots or you can use to mint valuable NFTs. Next, breeding. What's the purpose? It can create a new beast with awesome customized and how it works. Use your queen and training bee or working bee to breed a new bee. Then the new bee inherits traits from the parents like skills and generation. Breeding consumes HXD token and time. Next is the land ownership. What's the benefits? Well, passive income under ecosystem control. So then, players can own lands or NFTs while others harvest or hunt on your own land. The exciting part is you can earn commission and can get weekly shards dropped. Lastly, feature is your favorite PvP. You can earn HXD token by simply battles other bee. But be careful, it needs strategy. Successful raids can boost your top leaderboards. Come, play, and join us in the world of Honeyland. Thanks for watching.